organisation that was set up to accelerate connected and automated mobility in the UK, CAM. We do that in partnership with our partners, CAM Testbed UK. CAM Scale-Up has been created to encourage new entrants into the CAM ecosystem. It's important to accelerate UK-based startups to actually secure the benefits of CAM in the UK. I think what's really exciting about our SME program is these ingredients. We're bringing together these late-stage products. They are really market ready. We're actually putting them on our test beds and we're demonstrating, we're validating their concepts in real-world environments. And what we're doing then is we're putting them in front of an investor community. Nice. And what our SMEs need is actually series investment, follow-on private investment to really make their companies, make their product take off. We believe that's what CAM Scale-Up delivers. We have 6 great SMEs involved in this year's program: Albora Technologies, Exeros Technologies, Grayscale AI, Radar Technologies, Konnect and Xtract 360. So CAM Testbed UK is a collection of 6 test facilities in the UK, all located within a 3-hour drive. Testbeds provide a place where the SMEs can safely test their environments. They can test product development from the early concept, from the virtual environment, all the way through to the real world, the streets of London, where this product could well be used.
Albora Technologies is a company founded in 2017, and our idea is to become a global player to provide high accuracy geolocation services, i.e. better geolocation data to our clients and customers. This was a very good solution that we had provided by Sensic by having the 2 different test beds where we could stress test our solution into different scenarios. One is a smart mobility living lab in London, and basically we wanted to try our technology in an urban environment because of all the interferences that you can get in a city. We wanted to show that we can give high accuracy geolocation in that environment. And the other one that we wanted to try is Utah column because that's a circuit, and that gave us the credibility to be able to provide millimeter accuracy real time in a circuit. One of the things that you get out of Sensic is that if you get their seal of approval and you can show that you've done tests in their testbed, that gives you the credibility that sometimes you need when you go and talk to clients.
So I decided to start the company because there was a gap in the market for vehicle camera technology. Our company is a hardware and software solution. We use mobile recorders that go into vehicles. What we provide is a software solution on the back of that. And off the back of that now, we're programming the AI systems. We're using AI to detect problems in real time so we can warn the drivers. We split between Smart Mobility Living Lab and also the UTAC Proving Grounds. Real world has unexpected scenarios that has benefits for us when we're training our algorithms, but also you have the controlled, measured environments which we can go and benchmark off of against to then go and retest in the real world environment, and the 2 really complement each other. Sensic has definitely outperformed every other incubators we've been on. The assistance in terms of data collection has been exceptional. And I feel that it has a real weight in terms of really providing value back to organisations that are taking time away from their businesses to come and commit to a programme like this.
Grayscale AI is building neuromorphic software that helps robots and cars navigate their current environment using human-like precision and understanding. We work with 3 test beds: AVL, which is part of Midlands Future Mobility, Myra, and Smart Mobility Living Lab London. AVL has helped us setting up the car. We were able to integrate our system, integrate the neuromorphic camera and our software onto their vehicle. We were then able to collect and trial our program on the routes of London via Smart Mobility Living Lab London. And at the same time, Myra helped us test our solution in controlled, specialized test scenarios at their proving ground. So working with the test beds has allowed us to get access to very specialized equipment that otherwise we wouldn't have been able to do the testing on. We have been able to better illustrate the value proposition for new clients and investors.
The vision and mission of radar technology is, can we make a car radar classify and identify without having to interpret the scene? What my technology does is it provides that information direct to a radar There's no comms network, there's no 5G network. The radar is the comms network. I have patented a method that allows any automotive grade radar used on the road today to be modified through software, be able to read my beacons. One of the key tests that we've done is showing how the beacons can be used on dynamic moving objects, such as a child or a cyclist having a radar equivalent of a bicycle reflector. We've been able to achieve and accelerate the development of our technology by a minimum of 6 months, if not a year. The CAM Scale-Up program has put us on the international roadmap, and it's that roadmap that's going to allow us to scale this to be a ubiquitous solution in the future.
Route Konnect aspires to be the #1 smart city analytics provider. We're looking to analyse anonymously how we move across spaces, be it in vehicles or as people. Through that understanding, we can help improve future design and improve the efficiency of a road space. We've worked with Smart Mobility Living Lab, Midlands Future Mobility, the Convex platform, as well as Hariba Myra. And with Smart Mobility Living Lab, we were looking to deploy the analytics in real time. With Midlands Future Mobility, we got an understanding of the use cases that were pertinent to local authorities. And with the Convex platform, it was an understanding of how that data needs to be used and what framework and templates were required. Any additional scenarios that needed testing was through the Hariba Myra testbed. Being part of the program has helped us to accelerate the deployment of our solution in a way that allows us to communicate with our prospective customer base in a way that helps us to understand what the customer is looking for, how they're looking for it to be deployed, and actually work towards deploying that.
When an accident happens, it's not just vehicle data that's important. It's information from the driver, from witnesses, from everybody involved. What Xtract does is, within the first hour of the accident, they have this evidence at their fingertips, so they can then make the important decisions. The data from the vehicle really gives us subjective evidence that shows that the vehicle is driving at this speed, it was hit at this force, at this side, in this road. So when you take that data from the vehicle as well as a statement from the driver and it all matches up, then you know you've got the perfect evidence to then process the claim. So what we did with Smart Mobility Living Lab was using one of their connected vehicles to drive around the streets of London in different environments, capturing very detailed granular telemetry data from all the sensors in the vehicle, such as the cameras, the LiDARs and the embedded telematics devices, to really get a full picture of the kind of sensor data that will be available from a connected autonomous vehicle. Being on the CAM Scale-Up program has opened up new opportunities to us and brought us into companies and people that we wouldn't have had the opportunity to speak with in the past. So as a small company, your network is so valuable, and this program has really just accelerated that. It's brought us into these companies, these partners, which has been massively valuable.
What's particularly exciting about these SMEs is the new and novel solutions they're bringing to navigation, vision systems, telematics and analytics. These are real-world challenges that they're going to bring forwards CAM in the UK. And what these SMEs are doing is actually bringing forwards cost-effective solutions. This means that the future of CAM is possible. It will be with us sooner than we expect. Our ultimate goal here is to build a supply chain, a CAM ecosystem in the UK. And what we need is companies that can start to create the technology that can grow in the UK to go on to actually serve that supply chain. We at Zenzik believe that CAM in the UK is very important, and we have a vision by 2030. We imagine that our roads will be safer and far more secure. We believe our transport systems will be more inclusive, and we believe there'll be less reliance on personal transportation. CAM Scale-Up is really important because it's enabling the key technologies that will bring this vision to life.